This is Cup of Joe Carnival Tabanca. Here's what's coming up on the menu. The national instrument is on showcase, and I'm taking Joshua Regrello on a culinary journey.
I don't think I've ever had sardines before.
We're in meatless mode, but these braised sardines are perfect for my Open Faced Sardine Melts. Then, I sear these shrimp in style using Bertolli olive oil spray.
Oh, wow.
Too cool to be true? Bertolli olive oil spray. And finally, using Regal Quinoa, I'm building a bowl. Hearty, healthy, and meatless with pan in your preference.